Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Nico eTorx socket set. It has 14 pieces. This is how it comes to you. Speaking as a man of experience, these are those star sockets that you can never find when you need one. Mine seem to be scattered all around my garage, so I decided to go ahead and get a nice set. You'll especially need a set like this if you're working on any kind of vehicles, foreign or domestic. These are high quality and should last you a lifetime. Now I can certainly stay organized. Well, I'm definitely satisfied with the price and the quality of this set for sure. Let me try to give you some close-ups so you can exactly see how this Torx set looks. So if you are looking for a good eTorx socket set, I hope you found this video helpful.